Okay, everybody, hey, welcome. Hey, it's your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video. I am in Cape Girardeau, so we're gonna hit up some of these stores. We're gonna hit up Aldi real quick, and then I'm gonna go to the Bath and Body Works, even though everybody is saying that the Bath and Body Works is trash down here. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see, and we're gonna check it out. But we finna hit up Aldi first. But before we do all of that, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Y'all see Damani in the back? I can't even see if she's waving or not.
I am.
And then Damon. And then Daddy Damon. We all down here. Did the Last Supper for my Uncle Jerry. So yeah, we're gonna do this, but I don't even know which side of the street is on. But let's get back to it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. You watching everything. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. I'm trying to look for Aldi because we really don't know exactly where it's at. So I'm kind of looking around. Oh, there it is right there. So I'm kind of looking around. So we're going to go in here. We're going to see what they have. See if they have any candles. See if I can find that awesome pan. You never know. We might. So yeah, we're going to see. So let's go. Let's go on over there and see what we can see. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get to this video, y'all. Okay, y'all. We finna see what this store have in it. We're gonna see, y'all. It's windy down here. Oh my goodness. So windy. Oh, Bubba Crush Tea Studio. So this is the front of the store, y'all. Oh, it's so windy. Okay, here we go. Wow, this Aldi's is actually really nice. Looks kind of new. Trying to figure out if I should go this way or this way. As y'all see, their aisle of shame is actually really long. Wow, got a lot of stuff in this one. Let's see. Those should be on clearance. Still got those. That's $1.89. $1.89. These are the ones that's $1.50. $1.50. $4.99. They still got a lot of those. They still got the Joe Malone boots. $2.99 for the mini size. It's not bad. A lot of St. Patrick's candles still. $4.29. Still got the chunky throw blankets. Okay, y'all, as y'all do see, this store is very stocked on their Aldi finds, so this was pretty good. If I didn't have everything, I probably would grab some stuff, but I really don't need anything. Wow, they got tons of these candles. Wow, tons of candles over here. Wow. $2.99 for the cocktail candles. That's not bad. Mediterranean candles. $2.50. That's not bad. You see all these candles? Dang, I didn't even see these over here. Oh, wow. Wow. That's crazy. Did I do this one? Okay, yeah, now we at the mall. This is the Cape Girardeau Mall. I guess that's what this is called. I don't know. I ain't never been here, but we at the mall. We're gonna head into Bath and Body Works, but you gotta find it first. We're going in. Let me put my mask on. Ain't nobody down here got no mask on. Okay, yeah, we're going in. Are you going through the main entrance? Okay, yeah. So we're gonna try to find this Bath and Body Works and see what they got. This is the first. This is called West Park Mall, I guess. I don't know. Show y'all. It's the mall. The family. Damani wanted to stay in the car. Let's look at this thing and see where it's at. Got the new bag. We're gonna see. It should be like right over here next to Victoria's Secret. Now they got Ashley. Oh, this is Ashley. Oh, no, it ain't. Oh, yes, it is Ashley Furniture Outlet. Right here. Okay. I haven't did a Bath and Body Works travel edition in a while. I think my last one was in Dallas. But I am at the Cape Girardeau store. As you do see, their store is actually really, really nice. Everything is clean and faced forward. It looks very stocked. So I was excited to go to this store, and at first, they seemed very friendly. So let's get into this walkthrough. Can we do a demo? My hair is a mess. That Teddy Blake Gigi bag is super nice. I really, really like that bag. But this demo is going to be on Gingham Love. And as you see, they only had the body wash here. So I decided to just try it to see what it smells like, see what the lather is. Really, really nice. It smells amazing. As you do see, you do get a lot of suds or lather from the body wash, and it smells amazing. So nice. Really, really nice. After I rinsed it off, it didn't leave any residue. It left my hands really moisturized. Not moisturized to the point where I didn't need lotion. Yes, I still needed lotion. So I decided to go over here and grab some of their body cream. Why not? And as y'all see, keep that person in mind. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and try some of the body lotion, and it's nice. The typical thing, moisturizing, keeps your hands nice and silky looking. It was nice, and it smelled nice. They also have the perfume as well as the body scrub in this collection. I highly recommend this collection. I really, really do like it. I just wanted to give another overview of what the store looked like, how big it is, and how spacious it is. Everything looks really, really nice. I'm not sure if this is a new store. I don't know, because I hardly ever come to Cape Girardeau, but it looked fairly new to me. I think this little flamingo candle holder, this single wick candle holder, I think it is so nicely made. This is really, really nice, but of course it's a pass for me because I never buy items like this, but I do like it. And again, the glass lid candles, oh my goodness, that pink one. Keep telling y'all nobody's buying it. I was happy to see this fig tree, but they raised the price on it. I think it was $100, I believe, but semi-annual, if you're looking for that, they have it. I don't think I've ever been into a store that had this many try it sinks. I really don't. This store had 3 and the other one was more like a vanity. So they had like 4 different stations. Super shocked. I've never been to a store with that many. The mermaid soap holder was marked $8.95, but they removed the price. I'm assuming it's $18.95 now. So hopefully you got in on that one. The butterfly soap holder is super nice. Try it sink number 4. This is the 4th station. Wow. I've never seen this in any Bath and Body Works. Okay, now I'm in the back of the store and this is where all the drama begins. Sorry y'all, but it's a lot of copyrighted music playing, so hopefully y'all can hear what's going on. So yeah, here we go.
What's the reason for your recording our products?
I'm an influencer.
Okay, so we're not actually able to be doing that in the store, and pointing it at my cash wrap either is inappropriate.
Once again, y'all. Once again. I don't know what the deal is with Bath and Body Works.
What she say if you pointed at the cashier?
I don't know what she's talking about. But she's saying I can't record in here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I told y'all, I be getting bull. I was just on Instagram Live and I recorded everything on Instagram Live. I probably would put that footage in this video. That's where I am, y'all. Once again. Now, this time, I'm in Cape Girardeau. I know. I don't know why. I don't know why it's always me, y'all. Why? Little old me just be, where that lady at? Should I start the drama or should I just walk out, y'all? Now, she said I'm not able to record in the store. Now, I'm in Cape Girardeau. And y'all, this is actually a really nice store. This is a really, really nice store. Really nice store. Big, tons of product. Everything is faced like it's supposed to be faced. Really nice store. But y'all know, like I do always. Wait a minute. Where's the lady that was just talking to me? Is she going back? Here we go, y'all. I know, every time. This is the Cape Girardeau store. This is, what's the name of this mall?
I'm not allowed to tell you that.
Y'all heard that? Oh my God, she will not tell me the name of this mall because I'm on live. I don't get it. But I think it's just new down here and they don't know. That's what I think it is. That's what I think it is. I think it's new. And they don't. Okay, yeah, I'm back. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they wiped the Wi-Fi. So is she not gonna come? This little town. Instagram. And I don't know. Evidently they are not spreading the news or the word to other Bath and Body Works stores. I'm not sure. Or maybe because this is the only Bath and Body Works store in this little city, this little town. I don't know. So I'll wait. I got time today. We just got a 2-hour drive. We came down here for a funeral. So I decided to stop in Bath and Body Works just to see what, what's going on down here in Cape. Down at BS. I didn't record any of your associates.
Okay, well that's
when
fine.
I record in my video.
Well, that's great, and I appreciate that. I really appreciate that because I have associates that would be uncomfortable. I just didn't want my associates to be recorded. You're fine doing whatever you need to do.
But as y'all did hear, she told me I could not record in the store and said something about her cash wraps or something. I don't know. Because when she came out to me, I was recording the hand sanitizer. And that's what she said. She was like, oh, they don't feel comfortable. And I'm like, what? Talking about the sales associates. One of the sales associates didn't feel comfortable being in my video or something. I'm like, I don't even get people in my videos. I record close, so I don't have people in my videos. So then when she came back, she had a whole different tune. Was like, okay, I don't have a problem with you recording. You can record anything, and all that old crazy stuff. But it's like, why do I have to go through this? I don't understand. I ain't buy nothing. They really didn't have anything, but I won't deny the fact that that is a really nice store. The store is well put together, fully stocked, but they didn't have anything new, so I didn't have no need to buy anything. I'm gonna just come back when I get home.